This is another short review of some gear I took on my recent trip to Portugal and Spain. Today I'm going to show you the new AER Slim Pouch 2 in the X-Pac fabric. I use this pouch mostly for electronics. It's padded with lots of sleeves, so it works great for that. I also used it as a small flight bag for long haul flights to hold all the small stuff that you need on the seat on the airplane. The capacity is listed at 1.5 liters. This is a good size pouch with a large main compartment. Compare that over here. This is a 1 liter Nalgene and a 0.5 liter Smart bottle, so I'd say it's probably pretty close. AER has expanded their fabric options. A lot of their gear comes in 3 fabric types now. I have this version in the waterproof X-Pac fabric, which when you combine that with these waterproof YKK AquaGuard zippers, it makes for a very water-resistant pouch. The other water-resistant option is the Ultra fabric. It's a little more expensive, but slightly lighter than either the X-Pac I have here or the Cordura fabric options. For external features on the Slim Pouch, as its name implies, this is designed to be a slimmer pouch. I really like this style because it fits well in the front pockets on travel backpacks. Also has a flat bottom, which is nice because this pouch is going to easily stand up on its own. For me, this design worked perfectly, held all the gear that I needed it to hold. It has multiple uses, it's easy to carry, and the flat bottom, I think, is a really nice feature. Most of the organization on the Slim Pouch is inside, but there's one smaller exterior front pocket. It's thinner, only goes about halfway down, good for cords, chargers, pen and pencil, stuff like that. On the back, there's a small loop. I didn't think I would use this, but it actually came in really handy. A lot of airplane seats have a small hook on the back, usually on the side. This worked really well for hanging it on there to get it out of the way while I was flying. There's also 2 fabric tab loops here on the corners. They don't advertise or sell anything with this, but you can convert this into a shoulder carry if you have a 1-inch strap. For example, this is an adjustable webbing strap with clips on the end. I took this off the Alpaca Mod pouch, which has a similar setup. So it's fairly easy to convert this into a small carry sling. Just attach these buckles on each of the corners. This is a great style because you can use this as your flight pouch, convert it over with the strap, just a small day sling if you don't have a lot of gear. Again, they don't sell this webbing strap with this, and I don't see an option on their website. However, you can modify it if you have an aftermarket strap. Now for the meat and potatoes on the Slim Pouch 2, the interior organization. The X-Pac fabric here has this bright orange high-vis interior liner color, which is nice because it lets you easily see all your gear inside. There's a lot of pockets and sleeves in here, but it's designed with a style that lets you pack it in multiple configurations. All the sleeves and pockets are going to lay flat on the front and back of the pouch, leaving you just one large main compartment here. So if you have a lot of larger, bulky gear, then you can just store that in the middle with just a few small things on the side. However, if you have a lot of small stuff or a combination of small and large stuff, these pockets are going to expand out to fill all the space, basically accommodating whatever you want to put in here in whatever orientation you put it in. The back side of the pouch has most of the organization, large sleeve, 2 smaller stretchy dividers, and then between them, a thinner zipper pocket. And then on the front side, 2 more stretchy pockets mirroring these, but these are a little bit larger. As far as packing the pouch, I mostly used electronics, smaller stuff. I carry a lot of camera gear when I travel generally, so for that, I complemented this with the Alpaca modular pouch. And then just to show you the selection of what I brought in here, earbuds, AirFly, international adapter with the Euro cord, a couple of power cords, this DJI Action 2 battery pack, and this noisemaker that I actually like so much that I decided to carry this thing all the way through Spain and Portugal. Packing this is fairly straightforward, skinnier stuff in the pockets, larger, fatter gear on the inside, put your charger inside of your cord, save space, and kind of just all the smaller things in the front and the back pockets. It's everything packed in there into the Slim Pouch 2. Again, great, small, slimmer design. This works great, especially if you have a lot of smaller electronics, nothing too big, thick, and bulky. I really like this design, especially the flat bottom, which is nice for even such a small slim pouch, which actually it works surprisingly well, stands up Really good even when the pouch is empty. I hope you enjoyed this review on the AER Slim Pouch 2. Hope you stick around. I have a lot more reviews coming in the next couple months. And again, thanks for watching.